that back on the table. We don't leave things around because then we have to pick them up.
So I'm just getting rid of some of these extra branches because they're not going to fit in there. And it makes a mess in the new hive. There's a bunch of branches sticking around. It's because they can start building comb off these little tiny branches, and it's kind of a mess. However, they do seem to be more aware of me.
Shall I cut till?
And pretty soon they're going to start buzzing my veil. And then it'll only be a matter of time before they realize I'm not wearing gloves. Okay. So then the whole thing goes in here. And it's probably nice that there's a few extra branches on there so that I can set them down in here. Hopefully without crushing any. And if